Hello, today I will show you how to make next 2 rounds of a Blooming Joy blanket. So, slip knot and let's start round 93. So, this is really easy round. We need to start round 93 with a standing single crochet in last stitch of the side. So, in last single crochet, we need to do standing single crochet. And now the repeat for this round is chain 2, single crochet in chain 2, chain 2, and single crochet in first single crochet of the side, so next stitch. And now short repeat for the side part. Chain 1, skip next stitch, single crochet in next stitch. So chain 1, skip next stitch, single crochet in next stitch. So, and continue along with side as long as your last single crochet will fall in last single crochet of the side. So you're skipping all front post single crochet stitches and do single crochet in all single crochet of the side. So chain 1, skip next stitch, single crochet in next stitch, chain 1, skip next stitch, single crochet in next stitch, and so on. So really easy round. Chain 1, skip next stitch, single crochet in next stitch. Okay, do along this side and I will meet you at the end of this side to show how this side looks like once all stitches along one side are made, and how to work through corner part one more time. Okay, I am at the end of my side and single crochet and last single crochet of the side, and the side looks like this all along. Okay, so corner part one more time. Chain 2, single crochet in chain 2 space, chain 2, and single crochet in next stitch like this. And now chain 1, skip next stitch, single crochet in next stitch, chain 1, skip next stitch, single crochet in next stitch. So all front post single crochet stitches are skipped. Okay, really easy round. Continue around and I will join you at the end of this round to show how to finish it. Okay, I am at the end of my round. Single crochet, chain 1, skip next stitch, single crochet next stitch, chain 1, skip next stitch, and now I need to join to my standing single crochet with a slip stitch and chain 1 and cut yarn. Okay, and our round 93 is done. It looks like this. Okay, round 94, slip knot, and let's start. In round 94 we will be working in skipped stitches of round 92. All skipped stitches of round 92 are front post single crochet, so front post single crochet. And we need to start our round 94 with a standing single crochet in last skipped front post single crochet, working behind our previous round. So this is our last skipped front post single crochet. So in this stitch we need to do single crochet but working behind our previous round, so like this. And actually in this round we will be working behind our previous round in skipped stitches and in chain 2 space of round 92. So the repeat for this round: corner part, chain 1, and now in chain 2 space of round 92, so in this one we already have here one single crochet. So before this single crochet we need to do single crochet working behind our previous round. So like this. Chain 2, and now single crochet in same chain 2 space of round 92, but after single crochet of round 93, made in same chain 2 space, working behind our previous round. So like this. Chain 1 and single crochet in next skip each of round 92, working behind round 93. So like this. And now short repeat for this round. For this the side is chain 1, single crochet in next skipped stitch, chain 1, single crochet in next skipped stitch, chain 1, single crochet in next skipped stitch. So, and you need to continue this short repeat until your last single crochet will be made in last front post single crochet of round 92. Okay, so I will do this always repeat chain 1, single crochet, next skipped stitch, chain 1, single crochet, next skipped stitch, and so on, and we'll join you at the end of this side to show how it looks. Okay, I am at the end of my side. Chain 1 in last front post single crochet, this last skipped stitch of this of round 92. So the side looks like this, and so on. Okay, let me show you how to work through corner one more time. So chain 1, and now in chain 2 space, in this chain 2 space we already have single crochet of round 93. We need to do one more single crochet before this single crochet, but working behind our previous round. So like this. Chain 2 and one more single crochet in same chain 2 space, but after the single white single crochet made in same chain 2 space, like this. And now chain 1 and single crochet in next skipped stitch, chain 1 and single crochet in next skipped stitch, chain 1, single crochet in next skipped stitch. So your corner looks like this. So okay, so continue around and I will join you at the end of this round to show you how to finish it. Okay, I'm at the end of my round and single crochet in last skipped stitch, chain 1, and now I need to join to my standing single crochet with a slip stitch and chain 1 and cut yarn. Okay, so round 94 is done and blanket side looks like this. So okay, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.